And welcome back, everybody, to another beautiful weekend in my garage fixing stuff. Wanted to be working on the scooter today, but an issue came up, so I have to fix it this weekend. And that is the tire pressure monitoring system on my Ford Escape. You might have seen other videos. I'll put the links up at top as always. I had issues with it. The sensor fault kept coming on, the code, the light on the dash. At first I tried resetting it. That fixed it for a while. I did the diagnostics where I removed any interfering products like the chargers for phones. That fixed it for a while. But then this last week it came on again. And I am tired of doing these small fixes just to get through a couple weeks, so I am going to replace the sensor. I'm guessing the battery's going dead on them or on one of them. I need to find which one it is and replace it all in my garage. So I got one of the little trainer learner system little keypad things for the sensors. So what I'm going to do is go around, check each tire, find which one is the failing one, and replace it. So let's get to it. Now the first thing, when you get one of these little testers for your tire pressure monitoring system to check each sensor, you have to put the car into program mode. And that is super simple, super easy. All you have to do is know these couple steps. First, you're going to put the key into the ignition, hit the brake one time, turn the key 3 times to run, leave it on run, hit the brake, turn it off, back to 1, 2, 3, and it beeped. Now it's telling me it is in program mode. So all I can do now is go around to each tire and click the little button and see which sensor is giving me the fault. I'm at the first sensor, or first tire. I'm going to click the button and release. And it beeps. At the next tire. And it beeps. Tire number 3. Beeps. And tire number 4. Well, I'm guessing this is it out of the process of elimination. And it is. We have found the sensor that is failing.